Alright.
Ew, why did you?
Alright, my turn. Let me try. I'm so hungry for this chicken. Bad chicken! That's bad chicken! That's fried chicken! You cooked me undercooked chicken! Let me try eating that fish. That's bad fish! That's bad fish! You got me bad fish! We're cooking it in the washing machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's all done cooking in the washing machine. It's bad chicken. Okay, I'll try. I love chicken. It's bad chicken, that is. It's gross chicken. It's bad chicken. What? Cheese! I love cheese. That's bad cheese! You're gonna cook the cheese back in the washing machine to cook the cheese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cheese is done. Alright, I'll try. Let me. Smells okay. That's bad cheese! You gave me bad cheese! That's rotten cheese! That's bad cheese! You gave me bad cheese again! You eat the cheese! You eat the cheese! You want me to go again? Okay. That's bad cheese! You gave me bad cheese and rotten cheese! You bad. What? I'm gonna give you a bad Yelp review is what's gonna happen.
Mama?
We're gonna find Mama.